Okay, let's look at a binary symmetric channel with repetition of input. And what you have seen till now is this kind of binary symmetric channel. So either you send 0 or 1, or either you receive 0 or 1. Okay, the correct reception gives you probability p, and incorrect reception gives you probability 1 minus p, or you can say q. This kind of binary symmetric channel we have seen. Now sometimes what happens, for more reliability and better communication, you send repetition of inputs. Okay, so instead of sending 0, you will send 2 times 0. Okay, instead of sending 1 time 1, you will send 2 times 1. Okay, just for a better communication. So these are the repeat bits. Although you are sending same information 0 and 1, just you are sending more number of times for the better communication. So on transmitter side you will send 0 0, and receiver side you will send 1 1. Now on the received side, this is the transmitter side, 0 0, or you can send 1 1. In the receiver side you will receive either 0 0, 0 1, 1 0, 1 1. Why? Because channel can cause error, and error can occur in any of the bits. Okay, so it does not mean that you will send 0 0 means you can receive either 0 0 or 1 1. Because of the noise, any one of the bits can flip, and hence you have all the 4 combinations from 2 bits. Okay, now this kind of scenario we have to study. So already we are aware of this. We will calculate the channel capacity and all for this scenario, and we will basically convert this into binary symmetric channel, and we will see how to deal with it. Okay, just we are repeating the inputs. So this type of change has occurred, you can see. Now the trick we are following to receive our actual bit is, if more than half of the bits in the receiver side, if more than half of the bits in the receiver side is 0 0, means 0 has been transmitted from the input side. Mind you, we are just sending the repeats. The actual information is either 0 or 1 only. Okay, we have to figure out what has been transmitted. Either 0 has been transmitted or 1 has been transmitted. So how we are deciding? If more than half bits received is 0, means 0 has been transmitted. If more than half bits received is 1, means 1 is transmitted. Okay, so in this case you can see, if I'll receive 0 0, then and then only I will satisfy that 0 has been transmitted. Why? Because rest of the combination does not have more than half bits 0. Okay, this is the only case where I can say that 0 has been transmitted. Similarly, more than half bits means half is 1, there are total 2, so half is 1. So more than 1 bit, there should be ones or zeros. Okay, similarly here you can see, if I'll receive 1 1, then and then only I will assume that 1 has been transmitted in the transmitter side, because more than half bits are 1. Okay, that's what it is written here. If I'll receive 0 1 or 1 0, means it's an error. Okay, means something happened, and you can't say that 0 has been transmitted or 1 has been transmitted looking onto these two. Okay, so for 0, this is the correct reception, rest all are incorrect reception, and for 1, this one is correct reception, and rest all are incorrect reception. Okay, so this is the trick we will be following all the time. Okay, obviously you can increase the number of repetitions as well. Instead of sending 2 zeros, you can send 3 zeros, 3 ones, then you will have 8 combinations here. Okay, we will see that, but first we will calculate the channel capacity for this scenario, how it will look like. Okay, so I hope the picture is clear, the problem I wanted to share in this video. Next we will deal this channel. Okay, so now let's look at the analysis of this kind of channel. So what you can see here is I am trying to frame this scenario in binary symmetric channel. So I'm assuming this time P as my incorrect reception probability and Q as my correct reception probability. Binary symmetric channel. Okay, normal binary symmetric channel what we have. Now you can see here, if you will send 0, means you will send 2 zeros. We are considering repetition is 2. Okay, only one repeat, you can say. So 0, instead of sending 0, 0, 0, instead of sending 1, 1, 1 you are sending. So the way we are get to know that 0 has been transmitted is when half of more than half of the bits are 0 in the received bits. Okay, so 0, 0 if we will receive, we will have know that 0 has been transmitted, and rest all the bits are received, means 0 has not been transmitted. Similarly, if the 1 will be transmitted, then if we will receive 1, 1, then and then only we will get to know that 1 has been transmitted. Else if we will get these other symbols, then we will assume that there is an error. Okay, so first let's take a 0, 0 case. So 0, 0, in 0, 0 case, what will happen? For if we will receive 0, 0, so the probability of correct reception I am writing as Q dash will be Q into Q, because 0 you are sending, 0 you are receiving, correct reception means Q, and again 0 you are sending and 0 you are receiving, correct reception. Okay, that's why Q into Q. Now probability of, that is probability of correct reception. If we will go for probability of incorrect reception, all these three will give you probability of incorrect reception, either this, this or this. That's why plus is there, and multiplication because of these two bits. So if you will send 0, you are receiving 0, means Q. If you are sending 0 again, you are receiving 1, means P. Okay, probability of incorrect reception you can see. Then it this will happen when you will receive this symbol. When you will receive this symbol, you can see first there is incorrect, then there is correct reception. So PQ instead of QP. Since they are scalar, so you can consider it as same. And in last, you can see both are incorrect. 0 you are sending, 1 you are getting, 0 you are sending, 1 you are getting. So P into P. Okay. Any of the three symbols if we will get, we will say it is incorrect reception. That's the reason plus is there. So correct reception Q into Q, that is Q square you can say, and incorrect reception P dash is P square is plus 2PQ. Okay, so this is the case of 0, 0 when you are sending 0 bit. Now let's see the 1, 1 case, and you will realize that it is similar. The probabilities will be similar. When you are sending 1, 1, now what you are doing, you are considering this as the correct reception. 1 you are sending, 1 you are receiving, 1 you are sending, 1 you are receiving, then correct reception, both of them are correct reception, Q into Q, that is Q square. Okay, and in this case rest of the three symbols will be incorrect reception. So 1 you are sending, 1 you are receiving, 1 you are sending, 0 you are receiving, means Q into P, correct, then incorrect. Here you can see 1 you are sending, 0 you are receiving, 1 you are sending, 1 you are receiving, so P into Q. Similarly at last P into P, incorrect, both are incorrect. So probabilities of correct reception and probability of incorrect reception, both will be similar in case of 0 as well as case of 1. Okay, you can see that. So now I can frame my new binary symmetric channel. How it will look like? You are sending 0 and 1, you are receiving 0, 1, but this time the probability will be Q dash for correct reception, Q dash for correct reception, P dash for incorrect, P dash for incorrect. Now everything will be exactly similar to binary symmetric channel. So you can see how I have converted this scenario into binary symmetric channel just by changing the probabilities. Okay, only you have to change the probabilities. So I hope you got the feel. Now the repetition was only one. You can see means like 2 times we are sending the input. So repetition will be called as 2. Repeat of 2 in input. Similarly, you can have repeat of 3, repeat of 4. Means like I hope you are able to see that it is more reliable communication. Okay, because you are having more power in your hand that to judge when 0 has been transmitted or 1 has been transmitted. Okay, now let's see the capacity. What is the trade-off we have to pay? Capacity of this channel, what it will be. Okay, so it's straight away you can see capacity of this channel is 1 plus p dash log base 2 p dash plus q dash log base 2 q dash. Same to what we have seen in the binary symmetric channel, but the values will be different for p dash, q dash, p dash, p dash. These will be these values. Instead of p or q, here we had p and q, right? In binary symmetric channel, now we have p dash and q dash. Okay, so that is the difference. So let's see an example so that you will get a clear picture of how to solve these kind of questions. Okay.